Did you die?
No, I ran away.
Muted on group chat.
Okay, D, check your refrigerator at some point.
Thank you so much!
Hey, got a bullhead. Hey.
Okay. Now I give you cringe. Ahem! One more.
But wait! There's more!
Mama. Get loved on, nerd. Get loved on. Get loved on.
Today is short work day. Because...
Thank you, Miamis. I will stretch. And thank you for the boop to birch. Getting a free D appearance. They won't know. I'm gonna be incognito. It's like a Dorito, but it's undercover D. You are looking so good, honey. All the snaps. It's amazing. We are special up in here. Oh, pardon me. Bam! This is you! Oh god, why did I make it slide? I got a crystal dagger. Ooh.
Actually, a very fast stabby one.
I like to stab. How rapid are we talking about?
Try that.
Like... Oh! I sank!
Let's go!
I stab. I stab. I stab. Stab. Stab.
Oops, keeps leaving traps for D, by the way.
Isekai me, I don't want to work? Okay, got it. Bet. I'm on my way. Okay, stream's over. Gotta go Isekai Wolf Lord. Be right back. Stab.
Nice.
I have too many weird things in my...
Yeah. So just in game, you go to co-op.
Dang it, the grass has me. Oh. You step on a crack, break D's back. Oh, honey, that's not how you break D's back. That was not a PG-13 statement, and I'm sorry. A little. I'm like 20% sorry. That's enough, right? Pound sign. I bet you do, honey. That was bad. Ignore that. That was not PG-13. I need a bonk. Please help. Somebody bonk the brain cells back into place. Please. Put them back into place. Thank you, Gimbo. Okay, we're better now. I do have treat stream. Yeah. It's in the about section of my... I'm looking for a guy in IT. Thick thighs. What's the rest of that? All D remembers is thick thighs! No, that's so telling! Oh god! Plus then I can climb on your shoulders. Wrap my thighs around your head. And then you can carry me into battle and I will smite all of our enemies from on high. That's the real kicker. Lazy generation, but booby generation. I got your booby generation. Right here. Okay, that's not PG-13. Please don't ban D. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What is with D today? I must be in a mood. Turn your brain off today, D. You're fired. I've lost my balls! No! That was so cute. So cute! Oh, pardon me. Oh my god. I'm dying. Please go check out these cuties on YouTube. Oh no, hiccups! No!
Oh.
On YouTube and on Twitch! You can find them!
He is making hiccuping sounds, you got it.
Aw, okay.
On YouTube.
To cure them.
On Twitch, primarily Twitch. I'm gonna go now.
Oh, jeez.
No! I hope you have a wonderful weekend, everybody!
You too.
Alright.
Save D. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the game.
Bye,
It was a lot of fun, everybody.
Bye.
Take care.
Thank you.
You shenanigans. Ah! Bye, cuties. I'll see you